Balthazar, 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 Balthazar.
In Professor Balthazar's town lived the clumsiest man in the world. His name was Bumple. His politeness was clumsy. And his apologies even clumsier. Bumple liked to play the trumpet at home. And he played it very well. He also liked to dance, which he didn't do quite so well. And to make matters worse, his neighbors weren't musically inclined. Once, Bumple decided to learn how to dance and enrolled in a dancing class. However, Bumple was employed at a soap factory. Even here, his clumsiness was apparent and well known. But too much is too much. Bumple was left jobless. His only consolation was his trumpet. But his happiness didn't last long. It was only far away from people that Bumple could give expression to his sorrow. He played so beautifully that without realizing it, he drew a crowd. At first, Bumple was a bit frightened. But he quickly adjusted to the audience. This time the clumsiness was mutual, but all in good fun. And so a new friendship was born. However, all this didn't solve Bumple's main problem. He was still without a job. It was then that he met Professor Balthazar. The professor thought, and thought, and thought, and then hit upon an idea. He invented shoes for Bumple. Not ordinary ones, however. These were skill shoes. Bumple was in ecstasy. The very next day, Bumple was given a job delivering porcelain china. And how he did it. But in the evening, when he removed his shoes, he was good old clumsy Bumple again. There was no alternative but for him to sleep with his shoes on. The next day, he brought the professor to the woods and introduced him to his friends. There, Bumple deliberately took off his shoes and remained barefoot and clumsy. This was really fun. And with this kind of entertainment, it's clumsiness which gives it its charm.